You seen his head? Send help. Send help. So are they ready for another vlog or hi guys, welcome back. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. So for the past couple days I've just been feeling so I haven't been like doing my makeup, posting videos and none of that. It's terrible, I know. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog. Oh, sun. I just want to vlog a little bit today because I'm gonna do Christmas shopping or whatever, and then we have to do grocery shopping as well. And yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me. Something else I was gonna say. Oh, so this week my sister's been on keto for like a month or two, and this week I'm gonna try it for 7 days. So I'm bringing you guys on that journey with me, because if I don't have somebody to hold me accountable for this shit, I will not do it myself. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog my experience doing that as well. And yeah, hopefully it's a fun. Oh, look at this. I got this last night in Five Below. Wait, can y'all see? It's a little stool, so freaking cute. It was $5. It's so freaking cute. But yeah, let's get it. Now I'm starting to feel like I should have wear different lashes.
You should have what?
Different lashes.
You have lashes?
Yeah, I do. Okay, so we're about to leave home. My skin is really bad. Really bad. But yeah, where we going?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure where we're going yet.
How many things I have in my pockets? Guess, Cherise.
5.
Might be more.
Such plans I'll end up canceling. They have so many cute planners here. Okay guys, so we finally made it to ShopRite. It's been a while. Why would drive over?
Because I don't like to reverse out these bags.
Oh, look how far we had to walk now. It's freezing. It's like freezing, and I know my face looking patchy. That's from the mask. I only have one BB cream. Don't judge me. But anyways, we finally made it to ShopRite, so let's go shopping. I like to get peeled garlic that's already peeled because I hate peeling garlic. I think everybody hate peeling garlic. Or they ever meet somebody that actually like peeling garlic. Huh?
No, don't take that. I'm not telling you until we return.
So lunch for the week would be shrimp with cauliflower. For some reason, all the cauliflower have like brown spots on it. So we got the frozen ones, and then we got some frozen broccoli as well. We trying these out. Keto yogurt. Tia like this peanut butter. I'm not really a fan of peanut butter too much unless it's like a punch, or you know what I mean, like a shaka punch. Anyways, veggie spirals. She gonna eat this with shrimp next week. And then she got this lemon and ginger tea. I got this one. Hopefully it's good. And then I also got this. Don't look so uninterested. I got this sweetener milk for my coffee because I cannot do without my coffee. And then I got a salted caramel sweetener. This is sugar free and it has 0 calories. So yeah, wish my luck, Ollie, wish my luck. Yeah. Finally on the way home. Ollie, it's black outside and it's 5:35 p.m. and it's black outside. I can't. But anyways, we on the way home and I'm going to cook something because I don't really like cooking when I have to work because I just be too tired now. So I'm going and cook something now so that we have food to eat probably for the next 2 days, because
Don't act like you doesn't cook for the week.
I just cook your food for the week.
Yeah, but you're eating like me, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat like you for this week.
Right, so we cooking for the week.
Yeah, but I don't have to eat the same thing you eating. I can eat something else.
What did you buy that you can eat on keto?
A salad.
You buy salad things?
Okay, I'll check in a few.
Oh my goodness! What is that?
What is it?
Whoa, so thirsty!
Be careful.
Don't hurt me. 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 Whoa, so hurt me.
Whoa. Listen, you're coming here. Thank you.
So hurt me.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness! Whoa!
What is it?
It's spaghetti! That's empty spaghetti!
Yeah. already know everything.
Broccoli.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Of course, it wouldn't go smooth for the vlog. Cheers. My mother just always say that. Cheers. Cheers. I can't win. So for today's dinner, I made just some eggs with pepper jack cheese and then some avocados on the side. And I am having this wrap. And not really all that, to be honest, but it is what it is. Hi guys. So it is Tuesday. I did not check in last night because I'm terrible at vlogging. You already know this. But my first day of keto wasn't too bad. I was starving last night, like really hungry. But last night for my dinner, I just had a Slim Fast Keto shake, and I had some of these Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb. This is just cheese, basically, and it looks like this. Yeah, I just had that for a snack, and I had my Slim Fast Keto shake, and that was it. So I had my eggs for breakfast, I had cauliflower and chicken for lunch, and then for my dinner I had that shake. I had this snack and then that shake. Oh, I also had I'll show you guys in a bit. It's called a fat bomb, but it's chocolate and caramel, I think. I'm not sure, I will show you. But after my lunch yesterday, I had that for a snack, and then when I got home, I had those chips and my shake for my dinner. And it's 10 o'clock right now. It's 10:30 right now. I have to go to work a little bit later, so I'm not gonna have my breakfast. For breakfast, I'm gonna do eggs and sausage today, and for my lunch again, I'm gonna do cauliflower and chicken. I'm not sure if I showed y'all what my lunch was, so I'll do that later on today when I'm gonna have my lunch. And yeah, today's kind of gonna be a lazy day, just chilling. It's cloudy, it's freaking cold. Yeah, go make some breakfast, guys. Sorry if I don't seem like all sprightly right now. Like I just woke up and well, not just woke up, but I've been up a little while. I just haven't had coffee yet, so I don't know how that is go. But yeah, let's go get some breakfast. Oh, let me show y'all what I got in Sephora. When I went to King of Prussia, I did pick up 2 things in Sephora, so I wanted to show you guys. Hold please. Okay, so this might also be like a really good stocking stuffer as well. So it's this what is this? Like a little kit from Fenty. There's an eyeshadow palette and a mascara in here. The mascara is the full frontal mascara, and then the eyeshadow palette is Halo Bees Snap Shadows. I'll show you all the palette. It's really pretty. Oh, look at Anna in the back. But yeah, that's the palette. Super duper pretty. And then of course the mascara is just a basic black mascara. I have not tried much of the Fenty products. I have tried the hydrating foundation, and my skin is like not dry but not oily, so it's more like combination. In the beginning it's dry, but then like in the end it kind of gets like really oily. So the hydrating foundation wasn't my favorite, but I did pick up the Pro Filter matte foundation, so I'm gonna try that out with these shadows. But of course, you know, Rihanna, her stuff is like supposed to be the best thing on the market, so we'll see. And then oh, I lied, I did try her bronzer, and her bronzer was actually really good. And then the next thing that I got, I wanted to try this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. Oh god, no matter calling that. Oh gosh, I just done. So this is supposed to help with, hold on, I'll tell you guys. Oh, it's on here. It's supposed to help smooth fine lines. So remember, I told you all about the fine lines on my forehead. It's supposed to help to minimize the appearance of pores. So like right here, I have lots of pores. It's supposed to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. You all know your girl's struggling with that. And it's supposed to help with texture as well. So this is the travel size, and this is $17, I think. I don't remember. And this set was on sale for $20. I think the original price was $30. But anyways, this has 5 packs in it, and you're supposed to use it every other day. So I used it yesterday, no, not yesterday, the day before, and I'm gonna try it again tonight and see. Just trying it out to see. It does burn, because it's supposed to be like some kind of like mini chemical peel. So yeah, it burned my face. Well, there's 2 parts. Let me show you. So there's 2 parts, so you do one first and then you do the other. But one, I don't know what the hell in this shit, but actually burned my skin. But it could be because I have a lot of like pimples on my face, so that's probably why. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated on this. So that's what I picked up in Sephora. Also really good stocking stuffers. And then they gave me this gift. This is the Milk Makeup Beauty Insider gift, and she was like, the cashier was like, oh, like you got a birthday gift, and I was like, huh? And she was like, yeah, it's okay that she got a birthday gift. And I was like, oh, okay. But I know damn well my birthday not until April. So I was like, oh, okay. And I took the gift. But anyways, it has the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara in here. And then it has this little mini lip and cheek stick. Oh, where's it on this? And that's what it looks like. There you go, now you can see. And then they give you like the tiniest freaking sample of the Hydro Grip. I still haven't tried. So you guys, you know, in my haul video, I bought all that makeup. You know, I haven't tried not one piece yet. Not one. No, I lied. I tried the Dior highlighter. I tried the Charlotte Tilbury powder. But I think, and I tried the Mario palette. But everything else I'm still yet to try. I've just been so like under the weather, I guess, and then my face is like really terrible, so I don't really want to put anything on it. But yeah, I've just been going through it. Yeah, everybody has those days where they just don't want to do anything, and they just want to like just lay around and chill and be lazy, lay in bed, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's go eat. Drinking my lemon and apple cider vinegar. So badango. But I drink this first and I let this digest for like about 30 minutes, and then I go in and eat my breakfast. And yeah. It's true. What else?
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! High five! Hi guys, it's day 3. It's like 12 o'clock. And I'm gonna have breakfast, and not sure what I'm gonna have yet. But yeah, let's go get some breakfast. And it is snowing. It's snowing a lot. But yeah, let's go eat. I have on my face the Kate Somerville dry lotion because I've been breaking out like crazy. I've only seen that. Crazy. But yeah. Hi guys, so it's day 5, 4. It's day 4. I just want this shit to be over. Listen, when I tell you, it's not a bad diet, it really isn't, but I just hate having to be restricted. You know what I mean? Like, I want to be able to eat whatever I want to eat in moderation. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's really not that bad. I feel like when I have my breakfast, it usually keeps me up for the day. So I never have a set time of when I would have my breakfast, but if let's just say I eat breakfast like around 12, I wouldn't have my next meal until like around 5, and then I'll probably have a shake about 8 or 9. It just depends. Or sometimes I even eat 2 meals a day, and I would eat my breakfast and then my lunch, and that's it. So it's really not that bad, but it's just not for me. Like, I want to be able to eat like brown rice if I want to, or like sweet potato, you know what I mean? So we have a few more days to go, and we'll see if I lose any weight. I feel like I did not lose any weight at all, but again, I've only been doing this for 4 days. So yeah, I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna have my apple cider vinegar and lemon, and then I'm gonna make some salmon patties for lunch. And yeah. Okay, so here I seasoned my salmon, and I used cilantro, chive, onions, garlic. I use red peppers, no, pepper flakes, sorry, garlic salt, and then the Mrs. Dash or Mr. Dash, I don't remember, onion herb and garlic herb. So and I did put some olive oil in there, just to kind of like help the seasoning stick. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So now I'm gonna let this bake for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out and start like mashing it up so we could make them into little patties. I cannot use any flour or breadcrumbs. No, not flour, breadcrumbs. I cannot use any breadcrumbs. And the one recipe that I looked at said that you could use almond flour, but I don't have any, so I am going to. So the one recipe said that I could use almond flour, but I don't have any, so I am gonna use 1 egg and cheese. And then I'm gonna pray for the best. So yeah, I'm actually really hungry right now though. It's almost 1. It's 20 to 1. But yeah, that's that. Oh, and I made my coffee. So remember I showed you guys this salted caramel coffee creamer. I mean coffee sweetener. I do not like it. It tastes very, can I speak? It tastes artificial. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and I do not like that taste. And then I've been drinking the almond milk in my coffee, and I don't like that shit either. To be honest, I've been trying not to drink milk in my coffee, and I really love the almond, the oat milk. So I've been using that in my coffee. But the best coffee creamer, in my opinion, is this. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on, let me flip the camera. This one, it's the silk almond creamer, and I got mine in sweet and creamy, and it's actually really healthy. So it has 5 grams of sugar per serving, and it's only 25 calories per serving. It's also dairy and lactose free, gluten free, all the good things. And yeah, it's really good. But I got this one because it said unsweet, and I didn't even realize that it was vanilla. But yeah, this is it. There's no sugars, 110 calories in every serving. So yeah, that's what I've been using, and this is probably not the best one to use when you're on keto, but this is my first time. I look a mess as usual. But I've just been like cleaning up a little bit, doing laundry, that kind of thing. Yeah, Gil. Yeah, Olio. Listen, I don't know if this diet making me delusional, or I don't know. Okay, guys. I guess I should. Ugh. I guess I should get on with my day now. So today I'm having this yogurt for my snack. Oh gosh, it's had dairy in it, but there's no sugar. Oh, I guess there's sugar. There's one gram of sugar, but it says keto friendly, so I guess it should be okay, right? Oh, it's right there, 1 gram of sugar. Interesting. But anyways, this is my snack for today, and my room is a mess because I'm trying to organize my makeup. Yeah. Hi guys. So it's day 5. And I just got home from work. It's probably like about 4.
Auntie.
Thank you. Yeah. So I just got home from work. I was actually late to work this morning, so I did not have time for breakfast. And I did not make food yesterday, so I did not have lunch. And I know that's terrible. But I did have my coffee. I did not have my apple cider vinegar and lemon because again I was late. But I did have a keto meal bar, and that kind of like kept me up throughout the day. So I'm now gonna shower. And what is it? Oh, thank you.
Put it back.
Put it here. Okay. Okay.
For Kiko.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Okay, yeah. So I'm about to shower and probably make something for dinner and honestly how bad my face is, and it's so dry. It's like pulling and I could feel it, and I put leave that alone. I used moisture surge. No, you cannot stand on that. You cannot stand on that. Okay, yeah, so I used on my skin this morning my acne stuff, and then I used moisture surge, Clinique's moisture surge, and I also used the Fresh Alley Rose Gold Elixir, and my skin felt really hydrated, but right now it's like pulling. That's how dry it is. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on with my face, you guys, but I have on the Voguish Beauty lashes in this style Gemini. Oh, you know, Voguish Beauty lashes are my favorite. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have some tea and just chill out and see how I feel. This sky looks really nice. So pretty, so pretty. And it's actually kind of warm today. It's like 60 degrees right now, so that's kind of warm, but outside looks really nice. Yeah, so I'll hush now and I'll go shower, and then I'll check in with you guys when I figure out what I'm gonna eat. Oh, and I just want to show you guys my nails. I am like freaking obsessed. I think I got this nail polish in the dollar store. It's one of them like LA Girls nail polish. So it's probably gonna chip really soon, but I did this last night and I feel like it looks so freaking cute. So cute. Okay, now I'm gonna shower. Okay, be happy. Also, I don't know who I think I am these days, but I cannot leave the house without lashes. Like, who am I? So I spend like an extra 20 minutes in the morning sticking freaking lashes. Putting lashes on, like, seriously. I always tell myself every morning, okay, maybe I'm just gonna like not wear lashes today and sleep like 20 minutes late, you know what I mean? But then when I think about going to work looking bald, I'm like, get your ass up so you have enough time to get oh my gosh. But yeah, I've just become one of those girls that just cannot leave the house without lashes. I don't know what's taking over me, but yeah, something about lashes is just make you feel like you're that bitch. What the hell? Yeah, this just make you feel like you cannot speak to me because I'm that bitch. Okay, now we're gonna read. When you're taking in the sunset, I can't. Just wow. That's all I have to say. I don't know why, but as much as I hate winter, it looks so beautiful outside. Beautiful. Beautiful. It real nice out here. Like it cold as fuck, but it's gorgeous. This is my first like real winter, I want to say, because last year it wasn't so bad. It wasn't as bad. Like we never had like a winter storm or anything like that. I mean a snowstorm. Snow, can I speak? What the fuck? A snowstorm. Yeah, we never had a snowstorm last year. It didn't snow this bad at least. But yeah, so this is my first time and I think it's kind of pretty. I ain't going outside, but from a window is nice. My sister insists that we go outside and slide. So I guess I'm going outside to slide in the snow. Let's just go. Let's just go. Hello, hi. How are you guys doing? I was just editing this vlog that I made since like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I did not make an outro, so this is me 3 weeks later. Just jumping in to say that I failed. I did 5 days of keto. I did not do 7. 5 days wasn't too bad. Of course you're not gonna see any kind of like change in 5 days or whatever, but like I mentioned before in the vlog, like earlier in the vlog, there are some habits that I'm gonna like still try to maintain like in my everyday lifestyle or whatever. I think the one thing keto makes you realize is how much sugar that you're intaking, and then like how much, like, it really teaches you portion control and all that stuff. So those are things that definitely are gonna stay with me, you know, and I'm gonna be aware of and continue doing, that kind of thing. Like I said, I do not want to be on a restrictive diet. Restricted. I don't want to be on a restricted diet. So yeah, wasn't too bad. And yeah, I wasn't gonna post this vlog because I was like, damn it, like I had 2 more days and I just couldn't do it. And then I was like, you know what, nobody's perfect, I ain't perfect. So I'm just gonna post it and then try again. So yeah, I just wanted to say, if you made it to the end of this vlog, thank you so much for spending time with me, and thank you so much for the love and support. And yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. I'm still deciding on what I want to give away and how I'm gonna do it, because the majority of my subscribers are in Trinidad. So yeah, but I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. And yeah, I know they're probably tired of seeing my looking crusty and like, you know, just crazy with dry lotion and shower caps on, but your girl was going through it, like everything, the breakouts, the you know, just every freaking thing. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the last video that I post for the year, but we do have exciting things coming next year. It sounds so weird saying next year and it's like a few days away, right? Okay, now we're just gonna start rambling. But anyways, we're gonna have some glam videos, we're gonna have some fun videos, we're here for a good time, here for a long time, you know what I mean? Yeah, so don't forget to share, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, bye guys. Say hi guys, welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, hi guys, welcome.
Yeah. Say don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah.